student rather than making it visible to all. Yes. So a specific student, that means you want the enrollment or the assignment of any activity. So here it is mentioned the cues, but you want the assignment of any activity on based on you student. Suppose you have four students and you want to assign only one particular student any cues, other cues to any other student. So this way, this can be achieved in Moodle. Okay, so this is not a part of Moodle core, but if you come to install a plugin that is additional plugin restriction by user, this can be achieved easily. And if you come across here the Moodle version, this is available from Moodle 4.0, and you'll also find this one in the Moodle latest version that is 5.0. Okay, so currently I'm running this instance and I am here on Moodle 5.0. So I will try installing here. Okay, so now I'm going to download this one, the latest one, and I am going to install here plugin, install plugin. Then so this is already downloaded, so I'll browse this one. So you see here availability user Moodle. So this is the plugin name. You can also check the descriptions here. Okay, so it provide a restriction for activity or section by user. In contrast to doing this by using profile field, this plugin let you choose from the list of enrolled users. Correct? So this is install. Continue. Again continue. Upgrade Moodle database now. So once you are done with the installation process, you can go back to your course where you have created assessment and you want any particular student to be enrolled in that. So I will come up here, quickly come up here, my course. So this is sample course under view and edit mode. Let's say this is a test, hi-fi. So it has no question at all. So let's say assessment 4. Let me come to that. No questions. Yeah. So I want this assessment 4 to be enrolled to a student that is already here. So first thing you'll have that student under participant. Okay. So I have these users under my this particular course. Got it? So this is the one I want to enroll for the assessment 4. It mode off. So under assessment, if I come up here, so I can see this result, question bank, unfreeze. Yeah. So because this content was freeze, that is why in my case settings was not appearing. Now I have unfreeze this one. Okay. So you'll have to go here under settings. Then here under restrict access, add restriction, you'll find here the user profile field. Got it? So without installing this particular plugin, you'll not be able to access that particular section. Got it? Clear? So user profile you will be able to access only once you'll have that installed. Okay, so user profile base even you can go for, and this particular plugin is for user. Okay, so you'll have that user active there. Correct? So I will try this user. Now I can see list of all the enrolled user within this course. Okay, so please make a note here. So first thing you'll have to enroll that user within that course because the selection only will appear here within the enrolled user. Correct? So let's say this is the one I have to enroll, add restriction. And now this is selected, save and display. Got it? Now coming back to the normal mode. Here, participant, let me go to this one, student 2. So also I am quickly going to change this one from teacher to student. Yeah, so teacher I am going to remove. So now I have two students. So this is the one and this is the second one. And I have assigned that particular cues to this particular user. So if I come to this user, ideally I should have access, but I am going to try with this one. Okay, so this user I am going to log in with, and I will check that whether I will have options here. Okay, so now I see the assessment 4 not available unless required a certain user. Got it? So this is how, if you restrict in the way you assign to any direct user, then in this case this particular user have no access, so it will appear like this. Now let me log out from here and go back to the actual assigned user. Okay, so coming to that user where I have intensely assigned. So this is the user, dumb user, login as, continue. Okay, so this is the one, and I can see and access this particular case. Right, so since no questions, I don't have anything to do here, but once we'll add the question, we'll be able to access this as a student. Alright, so this is how you will be able to access to this particular user. Okay, so you can give a try at your end and let me know if you see any challenges in the comment box. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.